Hi guys, what's up? What's good, man? I can't remember the last time I vlogged. Just all this sit down video, this, that. But trust me, now we are vlogging. We'll do more of vlogging. Yeah, we'll do more of vlogging than sit down video. Guess what? Did you guys notice anything about his background? His background, yeah. He bought a new filming gadget though. Pardon my manners, I forgot to unbox it with you guys, but let me show you guys what it looks like. So guys, we bought a LED light. We bought a LED light. In as much as the subscribers are not improving, they're not giving me ginger to make more content. So with that being said, I don't know, it's like no, I love you all. You guys know that you guys are the best. You guys are my OGs. Like, I'm finding this YouTube something like so okay. Like, I felt like I'm building a family here, and I'm really enjoying it. Like, I met a YouTuber yesterday, Sylvia Seko. Hi Sylvia Seko, I know you watch this video. I love you. Like, the love she showed me yesterday, I felt loved. I felt loved, to be frank with you guys. So this is a reminder that we are not backing up. We are not backing up no matter what. Nah.
The next day.
Guys, what's up? I'm rushing to class now. And guess what? I'm late, but I just have to put on this camera to film. My best wig. So this is the outfit for the day. Just normal 2-piece, then slippers. Nothing too serious. God, I have 2 tests today. Like 3 tests today. Guys, wish me luck because it's going to be hectic. So hectic. So guys, I will catch up with you guys later. I'm gonna do this very well. Today. When is it? No, there's 5 people. How was that? See, leave me alone. This is currently almost to 12 a.m. I'm still awake, still preparing for school. I need to straighten this hair because this is what I'll be wearing to school tomorrow. Yeah. And I think I'm almost done with it. When today was so hectic, test back to back. At a point I felt like crying because I wasn't ready for all those tests. But what am I going to do? Nothing. We'll follow the lecturer instruction. Guys, I think I'll see you guys tomorrow morning because I need to go and sleep now. I'm done preparing for school, yeah. And I'm done straightening this week. I've tried. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Let me go and take my baits. See you guys. Bye.
75 years later.
Hi guys, what's up? Like, I don't know, to vlog these days, it has been hard for me. I want to make a kind of unboxing. Bunch of things I thrifted, bunch of clothes I thrifted. I got a lot. Like, when I mean by a lot, I got a lot of things. I got a lot, and they're so fine. I think I'll be doing a haul. Yeah, let me do a haul. First, this is my number one. Could believe that this is thrifted. Yeah, it is thrifted. How? Man. Yeah, just guess in the comment section the amount I bought this. Very affordable. Oh. Very affordable. It's not expensive. Shikini money. This jacket is giving luxury vibe. Actually, I don't know where to wear this jacket, but we'll find out later because this Nigeria, this Africa is so hot. Imagine you see this skirt. See, one thing with thrift wears is that the main thing is know how to combine them. Before you buy something, think, will this be okay for me? Like, what can I wear with this? It has a kind of a strap, but I'll cut it off because I don't see any need of keeping this. I'll cut it off. The last but not the least. Jesus Christ. Try to put up something together, but see, in as much as you're going for all your body thrifted, your clothes, your shoes, your shades, everything, you're thrifted. When you see your hair, please don't thrift. Don't go for cheap ones, because there is what we call number one is number one. One is one. One is equals to nothing. Just try for your hair to look good. In as much as you can't even go for wig, you can go for cornrows and all these things. So guys, okay, I think I will just make the unboxing, the bag unboxing also, because I don't know, this video is not easy. I don't know what to do this thing myself, but I felt like showing you guys. This bag is so fine. See the quality, everything. I love the body, but you can't even imagine the amount I bought this in. Like, okay, it has a strap. It has a strap that you attach, like extra hand that you can attach to it. If I should tell you guys the amount I bought this thing, people will shock. Weigh it. Yeah. Here's the next bag I got. I don't know. When I was ordering for this bag, it was so nice, but okay, this is still inside. But when I saw the bag, I don't like the quality anymore. The quality is not giving. It's not giving what I expected of it to give. I don't like. I guess I'll be going to school today. That is if I will film. I want to go to the library and read. That is if I will film the process. If I will remember to film everything about it. I think that you are doing this, but I'm so happy because my channel is really making progress. At a point, I wanted to give up on this YouTube something. I guess this will be the end of this video. If it will be.